This is the ArrowMAX 1.2 UV LED water treatment system, and I bought this for our van. Our van has a 12-volt system, and we have, our batteries, and they're connected to our solar panels. If you question what is the best water treatment system on the market that gets rid of 99.999% of E. coli bacteria in drinking water and removes chlorine, lead, VOCs, and unpleasant odors, well, let me tell you, this is what you want. This is what you need for your 12-volt system. It dispenses over 100,000 liters of water in its lifetime, so that's 7+ years, and it has a 1-year warranty. It's really cool because the faucet glows blue when the unit is activated. In addition to the system, you do have a pre-filter, which is included in the ArrowMAX 1.2 system and lasts up to 1,500 gallons or around 6 months, depending on your usage. The LED lifetime is about 1,000 hours, which is really competitive compared to the other solutions. We use this filter for a total of 1 year, and this is in fact a high performance water filtration system. This was our main source of water for 1 year, and I do not regret spending this much money to buy this. Water is so important for life, and you want to make sure it's really the best quality, especially when you're traveling.